Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 10, set operators. This chapter is divided into 3 lessons: set operators, overview, union and union all, and the last lesson, which is intersect and minus operator. In the first lesson we are going to learn what is the meaning of set operators and how to write a query that contains set operators. Set operators used to combine the results of 2 component queries into a single result. Queries containing set operators are called compound queries. There are 4 types of set operators: union, union all, intersect, and minus. Union used to return the result from the first query and the result of the second query and removes the duplicates. Union all, it returns the result from the first query and the result of the second query without removing the duplicates. Intersect operator used to return the data that is common between 2 queries. The minus set operator used to return the rows that exist in the first query and not exist in the second query. So these are the set operators. Let's have a look at these rules when writing a compound query that contains set operator. The data type and number of each column in all subqueries part of the compound query must match. Number of columns and data type must match. All set operators have equal precedence, executed from top to down. So union, union all, intersect, and minus, all these set operators have the same precedence. There is no priority of one over the other. Parentheses can be used to alter the sequence of execution. Order by clause can appear only once at the very end of the statement, at the end of the compound query. Duplicate rows are automatically removed except in union all. So if there is any duplicates in union, intersect, and minus, the duplicates will be removed except for union all. Column names from the first query is used to generate the result column heading. By default, the result of the compound query is sorted in ascending order by using the first column in the select statement, except in union all that retains the data randomly without any order. So in this lesson we discussed about the types of set operators and the rules of set operators. In later lessons we will discuss how to write a compound query that contains set operators. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.